Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this tutorial let's take a look at how we can stop text vibration on your Android phone. What I mean by this is that whenever you receive a text message, we basically don't want to make the phone make a vibration for it. So we can open up the settings app of our device, and on the main page you can scroll a little bit and find sounds and vibration menu. And in here you get to control the things about this feature, particularly the sound in the top portion of the page, and below we have the vibration section. So as you can see, we have notification vibration, and you can decide from or pick from any of those like patterns, or you can click the silent one, and it just means that any notification which you receive, including the text messages one, will not make any vibration at all. So that's how we can do this, but of course you can adjust the intensity below and also play around with some other features as well. You can also be in the main settings app and find notifications menu, where if you go to app notifications and find your messages app, you'll be able to control it on a deeper level. So for example, I'm going to click on the messages in here. You can see that notifications are turned on, but here you specifically can decide whether sound and vibration is active or not. And when you disable it, you can see that there is the mute icon, and now specifically this app is not going to deliver any sound or vibration. So that's how you can control it. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.